Hello, it's Monday the 13th of February 2012 and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFX Markets. The US dollar strengthened versus most major currencies as risk aversion grew following S&P's downgrade of Italian banks. And in spite of Greece passing the package of cuts needed to complete the next step towards securing the second bailout. Wall Street closed negative as the Dow declined by 0.69% and the Nasdaq by 0.80%. Crude oil fell by 0.90% to close at $99 a barrel and gold by 0.60% to close at $1,721 an ounce. No economic data is expected today. The euro fell versus the greenback on high concern that Europe's debt crisis will worsen, despite the Greek Prime Minister securing approval from Parliament for austerity measures to secure a second package of aid from the European Union and International Monetary Fund. The euro-dollar's momentum is positive above 129.50, and as long as the pair's trading above this, the euro may continue upward. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 131.55 and a high of 132.83. No economic data is expected today. The pound extended losses versus the US dollar weighed by negative sentiment. Despite that, PPI output came out at 0.50% better than expected. The pound dollar's momentum remains bullish above 157. Next resistance on the 4-hour chart is at 158. And breaking this level would probably cause the pound to increase to 159. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 157.30 and a high of 158.48. No economic data is expected today. The dollar gained at the end of the trading week against the yen as the Japanese currency extended losses across the board, falling to a 2-week low versus the greenback. The dollar-yen's momentum is bullish as long as the pair's trading above 77.20, and next resistance is located at 77.80. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 77.50 and a high of 77.79. Today, the Bank of Japan is expected to announce the overnight core rate unchanged at 0.10%, and the monetary policy statement is expected to follow. The Canadian dollar fell from a 3-month high versus its US counterpart after European officials demanded Greece enact greater austerity measures before winning more funding and damping demand for riskier assets. In addition, the currency strongly linked to commodities lost ground as crude oil fell. As long as the pair's trading below 100.40, the US dollar's momentum is still negative. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9951 and a high of 100.28. Today, the trade balance is expected at 0.7 billion versus 1.1 billion previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your online trading needs.